In the last 7 days, I've made over $52,000 in profit by posting TikTok videos, and I'm gonna teach you how to do the same exact thing. If you don't know anything about the TikTok Shop affiliate program, what I'm doing is posting TikTok videos, promoting TikTok Shop products, and when people buy these products while they're watching my videos, I get paid a cut of those sales. Now, TikTok changed the game with their affiliate program. They made it possible for anyone with a phone to make life-changing amounts of money in very short amounts of time. So if you're just getting started and you're serious about this, use this video to sharpen your skills so you can start printing money on TikTok Shop as soon as possible. Now let's get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do is join the affiliate program. Up until a few days ago, you could do this with 0 followers, but that has since been patched. So now you will need 5,000 followers to promote products in the product marketplace. But don't let that discourage you, because you need to understand that a lot of people will completely quit because of this. And that just means that if you can make it through to the other side, there's going to be less competition. Now, here's a method for growing your account organically to 5K without having to resort to paid methods. And the biggest benefit of doing it this way is that it's free and it's also pretty easy. The only thing it will cost you is a little bit of time. And to prove to you that this works, here's an account that I just grew to 5K in less than 2 days. So I posted a slideshow of AI generated images of babies with a month attached to each image. The title I used was "Your Month, Your Future Baby," and the idea was to get people to swipe through the slides and look for the baby that was attached to their birth month. And one of the main reasons why I decided to grow an account this way is because TikTok has been boosting these photo slideshows. So I figured, honestly, why not take advantage of it? Now, feel free to do what I did here, but there are literally hundreds of different styles of content that you can post to grow your account organically. And there's another method for getting an account with 5K followers. So if you've got some money and you want an account right now, you can always buy one. The prices on these usually range from around $200 to $400. And if you're looking for a good place to buy these, I suggest looking through my Discord group. It's completely free. I walk you through how to safely buy these accounts. We've got about 6,000 affiliates in there right now, so it's definitely worth checking out. Once you've got an account set up, you're gonna need products to promote in your videos. I'm going to show you where I find these products and tell you what qualities I look for in them. And pay attention so you don't end up wasting your money on things that won't actually sell. So what do I look for in these products? There are 4 main things. Number 1 is viral potential or uniqueness. These kinds of products are much more likely to catch someone's attention as they're scrolling through their For You page. Number 2 is products that align with current trends. This would be health, wellness, self-improvement, self-care, and tech. 9 times out of 10, these products are going to crush on TikTok Shop. Number 3 is whether or not the product solves a problem. Problem-solving products have a clear value proposition, so it makes it very easy to communicate their benefits. And for this, I like to identify a group of people with a certain problem, make content just for them, and address whatever their pain point is. And number 4, last but not least, is a product with high commission. Do not overlook this, because when you go viral, picking the wrong product could be the difference between making 10K and 100K in commission. I see creators hit like 10 million views and make 5 to 10 grand in profit. Now, that's not bad by any means, but a product with a higher commission could have easily doubled or even tripled that number. Now, when I'm looking for products, I use calodata.com. This is my secret weapon when it comes to product research. It is super easy to use, and you can get all kinds of data on shops, creators, products, videos, and live streams. And this is actually a product that I'm promoting right now. It's a cream that lifts and tightens your skin. And this is perfect because it has viral potential, since you can show the effects of it in real time. It's also in the self-care niche. It solves a serious problem, and it has a high commission. These sell for around $40, and the commission is $7.40. Now, when I'm on Calodata looking through these products and I see something that catches my eye, I will go to this detail page, and I'm looking at the average unit price here to make sure that it's not too expensive. I'm looking at the video revenue and the live revenue to get an idea of how this is selling and where it's selling the most. And I'm looking at this chart over here to make sure that people are actually buying this product right now. You can also look through the best performing videos and the best performing live streams. You can use these to get inspiration for your own videos, but I suggest not copying them. Instead, just find out what's working in these videos, take that, and then put your own spin on it. And about this chart over here, a lot of people say that you should focus on products that are trending upward, but that is really not the case because the chart might be trending downward, but these products could be dropping from 100K a day to 50K a day. And 50K a day is still a very good sign. And these charts actually fluctuate like crazy for a variety of different reasons. So personally, I don't focus too much on what they look like. We are not day traders here. We should be focusing more on the product and leaning on the chart, if anything. With that being said, CaloData is an incredible resource. You can actually use it for free, but the paid version is what I use, and it has features that make it very, very worth it. CaloData also gave me a discount code, which I'll link in the description of this video. So if you're interested in using the paid version, you can get 10% off. Now, once you've found some killer products, it's time to create videos. But before you do that, you need to know what you can't do as an affiliate. This is very important because if you screw up, you could get a suspension or a violation that leads to the views across your entire account being suppressed. So here are the two most common mistakes that people make. Number one is making false or exaggerated claims about the benefits of a product. I know a lot of you have probably received a violation for this, and it can be a hard one to avoid, especially when you're promoting supplements. An example of something that would get you one of these violations would be saying something like, if you take one of these every single day, you'll lose 20 pounds in 3 weeks. Now, instead of that, I would say something like, I've been taking these for the last few weeks and I've gone from 190 to 185. And that works because I didn't say the word pounds, which is like a trigger for TikTok. And instead of saying, this is what is going to happen to you, I said, this is what happened to me. So basically, I'm just mentioning my personal experience with the product. Now, that's what's been working for me. So try it out and let me know if it works for you. And the second most common mistake that I see people make is posting unoriginal content. If you didn't create a piece of content yourself, do not post it with a product linked to it. Some of you might have seen those duet videos where creators duet a TikTok shop video that has already gone viral. They're usually reaction videos, and it's an easy way to make money because you're basically writing the original creator's viral video and you're the one getting paid for it. I can't tell you how to do this, and you shouldn't even try it, to be honest, because most likely you will get a violation for it. And aside from that, it's just unethical. So moving forward, just be honest, create your own original content, and you should be just fine. Now that we have that out of the way, let's talk about how to create content that actually sells. I'm going to give you the basic format that I use for all of my videos, which is made up of 3 parts: the hook, the body, and the call to action. The hook is the first few seconds of your video, and the goal here is to grab the viewer's attention. You have to come up with something that will really stop the scroll and suck the viewer in. And once you've gotten their attention, you get into the body, which is the core or the heart of the video. And this is where you really sell the product. I like to talk about the benefits, how you use it, how it's made my life better, and what kind of person it would be perfect for. In the body of your video, it's important to be enthusiastic and honest. A lot of times people know when you don't actually use the product yourself, and they can sense when you don't really care about it. And last, you've got your call to action. This is what you say at the end of your video to urge the viewer to make a purchase. Your call to action should be delivered quickly and clearly because you want to make it as easy as possible for the viewer to purchase the product. And one of the call to actions that's been working well for me is TikTok is literally selling this for half the price that I bought it for. So if you want to grab it before the deal ends, I'll link it down here. And it works because it makes the viewer feel like they're getting a huge deal that I missed out on. It pushes them to make a purchase before the deal ends, and it guides them on exactly what to do next, which is to tap the orange button at the bottom of the screen. Next, I want to talk about 2 psychology principles that you can incorporate into your videos to boost your sales. The first one is social proof. An example of this would be showing someone else in your video using the product that you're promoting. And when people see someone other than yourself having a positive experience with the product, they're more likely to make the purchase. The second one is creating a sense of scarcity and urgency. This one is simple but effective. So saying things like the deal ends soon or there's only a few left in stock will prompt the viewer to act quickly to not miss out. Now that you have a good idea of how you should actually be crafting these videos, let's take a look at an example so you can see really what this looks like. Now, I found this video earlier. It's only 34 seconds long, and it probably took this guy no more than 15 minutes to make. But in the last 7 days, he was able to bring in over $150,000 in revenue, and I believe the commission for this product is around 20%. So that means that his commission would have been around 30 grand. His take home was $30,000. Now let's take a look at this video.
So nobody told me this was on sale. At this one it was $60. Now it's $35. And this person right here got it for $20 after applying all the coupons. This neck and back heated massager is the best thing I've ever gotten. I may have overpaid for it, but this is me telling you to get it now while you can. I don't know how long this will be on sale, but you need to hurry up and grab it. I promise you it's worth it. So go ahead, click the product down below, apply those coupons, and get yours today. I'll catch you in the next one.
All right, now that was a great example. It was direct and straightforward. In the first few seconds, you just see a guy with his eyes closed, completely relaxed. The body of the video was put together well, and the call to action was quick and clear. Now, if you look a little bit deeper, these were the things that really contributed to the success of this video. So this is a video reply to a comment that he got on one of his older videos. And doing this is smart because when you make these videos, it retargets the audience from the original video. He's also got some strategic pricing in there, and he created a sense of urgency on top of that. He mentioned a significant price deduction from $60 all the way down to $35 and then down to $20 with coupons. And that makes the viewer feel like they're getting an exceptional deal, which can be a huge motivator to actually make the purchase. And saying things like get it while you can and I don't know how long this will be on sale created a sense of urgency to get viewers to act quickly and not miss out on the offer. And I don't know if you caught the social proof in there, but mentioning that another person bought the massager at an even lower price suggests that other people are also buying and benefiting from this deal. This can definitely make viewers more inclined to join in and not miss out. And the thing that really made this video stand out was the physical display of comfort and relaxation. This is like a live testimonial to the effectiveness of the product, because it's one thing to claim that a product works, but it's far more convincing to show it in action. Now, I broke all of that down because I want you to understand that there's more to this than just recording a video. Strategic pricing, urgency, scarcity, social proof. If you can understand these things and incorporate them into your videos successfully, you will be leaps ahead of other affiliates. And at this point, you know how to become an affiliate, how to find winning products, and how to create viral videos that will bring sales. But there's one more thing that I want to talk to you about before you go. When it comes to TikTok Shop, success seems to happen overnight for a lot of people, but it might not be that way for you. Everyone learns and progresses at different speeds, so it's very important to remember not to quit. There will be issues that you run into with low views and violations, but it's crucial that you stay resilient. Because if you post consistently and learn every single day, your success on TikTok Shop is inevitable. Just remember that you're on your own journey, and focusing on the path in front of you is the best way to reach your destination. Now, with that being said, if you want to learn more about TikTok Shop, I'll leave a few resources for you in the description of the video. I also run a one-on-one coaching program for beginner affiliates where I take them from making no money to making a full-time income from TikTok as quickly as possible. So thanks for watching if you made it this far, and I will see you in the next one.